My uncle has been a car mechanic for 36 years now, and yesterday he told me a story that I couldn't believe. So there was this sad middle-aged guy that came into his shop with a yellow 2004 Honda. And he wanted to get rid of it because it was boring and he didn't enjoy driving it anymore, but he was really sad about it. My uncle told him to come back next week so he can take a look at it and make sure that everything's okay so he can sell it. But he wasn't expecting what would happen next. See, that guy came into the shop a week later just as they agreed, but this time he wasn't sad, but he was laughing, like almost hysterically. My uncle didn't think much of it until this guy told him that he's not selling the car because he hacked it. All confused, my uncle agreed to go on a test drive with him and he couldn't believe it. The dude actually hacked his car's computer with the help of the OBD reader, which is a device that mechanics use all the time, but he made it so he could change the way his car sounds through the phone. And then he made his car sound like farts and started hysterically laughing once again, along with my uncle. And because these OBD readers work with almost every car, he started selling them online and my uncle got me one of them, and this is it. You just plug this thing in right next to the pedals. Leave a comment with your favorite sound and I'll send you a code for 10% off. The link is in the bio.